Government concretizes plans to secure Jamaica and commits to peace for development. You're watching Jamaica House Weekly. I'm Lorraine Mendez. At the top of the week, Prime Minister Andrew Holness met with the National Defence Board. In his capacity as Minister of Defence, Mr. Holness held talks with JDF Chief of Defence Staff Major General Rocky Meade. Discussions focused on improving mechanisms within the Jamaica Defence Force. On Monday, as the island celebrated Commonwealth Day, the Prime Minister reiterated government's commitment to the attainment of sustainable development. Asserting that there could be no development without peace, Mr. Holness said government would be redoubling its efforts to promote peace in the society. The Prime Minister's message was delivered by St. Andrew's High School for Girls student Ashley Onfroy.
The government of Jamaica remains committed to the full and effective implementation of the 2030 Agenda, which is aligned with the Vision 2030 Jamaica National Development Plan. Goal 2 of Vision 2030 for a secure, cohesive, and just society reflects the government's commitment to addressing the high incidence of crime and violence, which undermines productivity and engenders hopelessness in the society. By reducing the level of crime, we intend to foster a more favorable environment for economic growth and job creation, thus paving the way for Jamaica to become the place of choice to live, work, raise families, and do business.
Commonwealth Day 2017, which included a panel discussion and a Youth for Peace rally, was observed under the theme, A Peace-Building Commonwealth. News came Thursday that Dr. Delroy Gordon, Executive Director of the Jamaica Cultural Development Commission, had passed away suddenly at age 55. Expressing shock and sadness at Dr. Gordon's passing, Mr. Holness remembered him as a visionary leader who contributed significantly to Jamaica's cultural development. The Prime Minister said Dr. Gordon's work would be remembered for its promotion of Jamaica's cultural heritage locally and internationally. And Mr. Holness offered condolences to Dr. Gordon's immediate family and his JCDC family.
Aunt Rap was an honorable woman. She lived a full life.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness speaking at a remembrance service for Raphaelita Walker, mother of Culture Minister Olivia Grange. Mr. Holness said Walker's 90 years were well-lived, having served in many areas including fashion, nursing, education and philanthropy.
Aunt Raf holds a special place in our hearts. Her life was one that exemplified courage, strength, determination and service. I am happy she was recognized for her work while she lived, receiving several awards, including the Prime Minister's Medal of Appreciation for Excellence and the 2013 African Canadian Achievement Award for Excellence.
Saturday's celebration of Raphaelita Walker's life and contribution in song, dance and tributes was held at the Holy Trinity Cathedral. And that's how we close out Jamaica House Weekly. We return next time for more of the news coming out of the office of the Prime Minister.